In this video, you'll learn how to drop an existing SCORM interaction into your course without rebuilding it, and have completion reported alongside everything else. Already built a polished interaction in another tool: Storyline, Rise, iSpring, Captivate, Adapt, Camtasia. Don't rebuild it. Drop it straight into your CourseAgent course as an embedded activity. The learner plays it inside the course, completion and score flow through to your reports, and it sits alongside everything else. Open the course editor on the page where the activity belongs, click Add Sections, open the Interactions group and choose Embedded Activity. 2 layout variants in the picker. Pick whichever fits the rhythm of the page. The section lands with a placeholder cover and an Upload SCORM package overlay. Click on the Upload icon, top of the panel, Activity Package. Drop your published zip file here or click to browse. 2 rules to know before you upload. 1. SCORM, 1.2 only, up to 500 megabytes. When you publish from your authoring tool, choose the SCORM 1.2 output. 2, and this is the one most people get caught by, the package must be self-contained. Every asset the activity needs, images, video, fonts, scripts, style sheets, has to live inside the zip. External links to your own server, your CDN, YouTube embeds inside the package, none of that will load once it's running inside the course player. In Storyline, Rise and Captivate use the Publish for SCORM 1.2 option, with assets bundled. If your authoring tool offers a package, self-contained, or web object option, use it. Upload, and the panel updates. You'll see a confirmation, the file name, the SCORM 1.2 badge, and the activity's own internal title. Read straight from the package manifest. Now the cover. This is the still learners see before they launch. Cover image, a default image is in place. Replace it via upload image for your own file or find image to search the library. Image description, required alt text for screen readers. If the cover is purely decorative, toggle mark as decorative instead. Shadow adds depth to the card. Cover title, an optional overlay caption on the cover image, something like launch the simulation. Leave it blank if the image speaks for itself. Corner style, square or rounded, to match the rest of your course design. Click Update and close. The section now shows your finished cover on the page. Click Preview to see exactly what the learner will see. The section renders the cover with a Launch Activity button. Click it. The SCORM package opens full screen inside the course shell. Learners interact with it natively, and when they close the overlay, they're back on the page exactly where they left off. Worth flagging, by default, embedded activities are marked Required. That means the learner has to launch and complete the activity before the page can be marked Complete. If you'd rather make it optional, open Activity Properties and turn off the completion requirement. The badge disappears and learners can move on without completing it. Completion and any score the package reports flow through to the course progress bar, the learner record, and your Academy insights, exactly the same as a CourseAgent quiz. A few limits worth knowing. CourseAgent doesn't translate the contents of the SCORM package. It's a sealed unit. Translate the surrounding page text, but the activity itself stays in the language you published it in. CourseAgent doesn't restyle the package to match your course theme. What you built in your authoring tool is what learners see, and the package isn't included in any exported handout or SME review pack. It only plays in the live course. That's embedded activity. The right choice when you've already invested in a polished interaction somewhere else and you want it living natively in your course, with completion reported alongside everything else. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.